So you're gonna need your speakers, your adapter, and your wiring harness. If you go to crutchfuel.com, they'll give you these 3 for free. You just buy the speakers, really cool. You're gonna need a trim remover tool, a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead, and this little guy over here. You're also gonna need these 32 by half inch. First thing you have to do is remove the door panel. Make sure your window is down so you can make sure that the speaker actually fits. So you lift this up with your flathead and then remove this. So you're gonna remove this, just pull it off, and then remove the rest of the door. You can start under here and pull. I already got it loose. And then you're going to want to disconnect the wires over here. And disconnect the tweeter, the 2 down here. And then let this hang. It's fine like that. So here's your speaker. You're going to want to remove that. So the harness that connects to the car does not fit right here, so they sent these. So you have to remove the wire from these and stick them in here. So I took the old ones off. You're gonna want to put the other ones on. So you remove it, you stick it in, and then clamp it. The black one is negative and the white one is positive. On the door, the green one is negative and the orange one is positive. So you're gonna want to get your adapter and screw the speaker to the adapter. You can just stop it. So after you have the adapter on, you can go ahead and put the harness on. So black is negative. The white, which connects to the orange, is positive. Then you can go ahead. So there's a little spot right here where you can put the cords down so they don't get smashed. Just take this off. So you're gonna want to get it's easier to get the old screws. Use those ones to tighten it back in. Bolt it in, you're going to want to connect it and make sure. Turn it on. And it works. So then you're going to want to put everything back. You're going to want to connect all the wires. And when you put it back on, you want to go over the top. And then down.
You want to put this back. And get your screw. Make sure everything works.
called. They said as long as the panel has a cover, you don't need to put that on it, but it's a preference. And there you go.